Hey, what's up YouTubers? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a thumbnail to your YouTube video in three simple steps. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. Go ahead and slap the subscribe button and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you get any videos I may upload during the week. So while I got that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into my screen so I can make this simple and easy and fast as possible just to show you exactly what to do to add that thumbnail to your page. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're on your YouTube channel, and from there you want to go to click on your icon. Once you click on your icon, you're going to click on YouTube Studio. You're going to let YouTube Studio upload. Then you want to click on content. Once you click on content, once you're here, you want to find the video you want to put a thumbnail on. Now for this purposes, I have a testimonial video that I'm going to put a thumbnail on. Now, you're not going to see this mark here or this here because I use a tool called vidIQ, and actually in vidIQ I can create the thumbnail, but for this purpose, for this tutorial, you're not going to see that unless you have it. So what you'll do is you'll come to your video and you'll click on the little pencil here. That's going to bring up your video. Then you want to scroll down, and then again, you're not going to see create thumbnail. You're not going to see compare thumbnail in the search results. All you're going to see is upload thumbnail if you don't have vidIQ. If you have vidIQ, then you will see these. But for this purpose only, don't worry about these two here. Just worry about this. Then you want to click here. And then if you created a thumbnail, you can just go into your drive and find it. I did one just for this video. I click here. I click open. It's going to save. I click save. And then what you want to do is go back to your content and make sure it's saved. So when I come back here, you see this video has a thumbnail now. The thumbnail I created has saved. Now, here's the kicker. In order to be able to add a thumbnail to your videos, you got to get your channel verified. I may have a link to that in this description. If I don't, I just create one later. But you have to get your channel verified in order to add a custom thumbnail. Now, if you don't want a custom thumbnail, you just want to use what they have here available, you just pick a picture, right? You'll just pick whatever you have here. But for this purpose only, because you want to add your own thumbnail, you'll create one probably in Canva, and I'll drop a link to that video that I created to show you how to create a thumbnail in Canva. I'll drop that link in this description of this video. But again, you just come here, upload that, and boom, save. Come back to content, make sure it's saved, and voila, you have your custom thumbnail added to your video. It's pretty that simple. I don't have to get into any, it's nothing techy you really got to do other than creating the thumbnail itself. But that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead in the description, check out that link to how to create a thumbnail, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, peace, and have grace.